Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for around 3-4 years ago. She's a model from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Southern Cross. Well, this is my subject today, and I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, I tried a couple times last year, but I didn't much care for it, so I decided to challenge again. And this time though, well, this shot doesn't have much color, so I'm gonna colorize first. So I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Then just keep one for turn it off. Then the other one is use that, let's see, hue saturation to desaturated all the way down. Now it's black and white, desaturated. Okay, then I'm gonna merge down. Alright, okay, then I'm gonna move this empty layer over this black and white photograph. Then I'm going to add colors. Well, I'm going to change that to blend mode, normal to color. Alright, go from, let's see, nice skin tone first. And I don't need the texture of the brush, so basic to soft round opacity. That's I usually use. Now, let's see. I shot this image by LED lighting, so direct light. There is a harsh shadow on the wall. Okay, now it's kind of rough. Now I'm gonna go for makeup. Let's see, I can paint any color I want, so let me see. Maybe turn into, well, natural makeup, huh? Sort of color image. Now what color should I paint on her clothes? Well, let's see, I'm gonna add one more layer. I may change the color of the clothes. Also, I'm gonna add layer, then change blend mode to, again, color. Then let's see, well, let's try. Okay, let's see. Let me change hue saturation underneath. We call this one. Effect only this layer. Change hue. Well, touch orange, yellowish, warm tone amber color maybe. Don't change the lightness, just change the hue. Yeah, just leave it this way. Now I go for background, then let me see, I made change. Alright, now go for, let me see, the background. One more layer for background then. Okay, then same thing, change blend mode. Change blend mode normal to color. Let's see some interesting colors on background. Let's see, kind of strange background. Well, about her shirt, this color, let's see again. And I want to try this one too. This is the background. Here's saturation and the effect underneath. Now, well, this saturated color is better. Okay, just leave it this way. And yeah, I think this saturated too much colors now for this background. Okay, I can change the saturation later, so I'm gonna turn it off. This layer properties off. Let's see, I just want to see this original shot go, bring this one go all the way up. Then let me see, turn it on. This is different. Yeah, touch colors, alright. Now turn it off, just keep original here. Let's see about her makeup. Sort of a natural makeup. That's fine, I think. But I wanted some retouch on her face somehow. Well, retouch, not color. That's gonna be this base original image, black and white. So I'm gonna smudge. Then let's see, smudge tool. I used to use dry media to scratch pencil. No, pastel square. Yeah, maybe working alright. Smooth out this shadows. Maybe though I can add some color and blend in. Like, let's see, use the brush, basic to soft round opacity and small size. Pick the color from closest color, then not 100%, maybe 60, 70. Then just paint it on. Oops, hold on a second, this is color. Okay, turn it off, this color. Then I'm retouching on her face, so this base original image. Now pick up some color, which is gray, light gray. Then not 100%, about 60, 70. Then use that soft round opacity to just paint it over. Okay, now using that smudge tool, pastel square, dry media to pastel square, then smudge some, smooth it out. Okay, and look at it. Turn on this color. Yeah, pretty much smooth it out. Alright, now almost done, but I want to add some more color on this shadow area. Make it a little bit interesting color on this same layer. Okay, pick the brush again, same thing, soft round opacity. Then this time I'm gonna pick some bluer color, not 100%, about 60. Using the brush tool, the smudge tool, to blend in these colors. Yeah, blend these colors to smooth it out. Same thing. This is horror skin tones. Smooth it out. Now same time, this is from here, so I'm gonna smudge on this base image again. Not much touch. Yep, I guess that's about it. Oh, and also I'm gonna add color. Okay, and the background. This is background color. Yeah, so I'm gonna add. Then smudge again. Okay, touch up some color layers. Same thing, smudge to blend each colors. This area is out of focus, so color should be blended in too. Okay, pretty good. Looking alright. Now I want to add some different colors on around here though. Pick some brownish color. Then smudge. Yeah. Well, color brush to smudge tool, back and forth to finish up some. Alright. Okay, looking pretty good. Right now this side. Okay, this magenta colors. Okay, now about around here, the window light. This area doesn't have any density on this black and white original base image, so it doesn't show the colors even though I add color here. So I'm gonna add one more layer for background. Then I don't change the blend mode, just use as a normal. Now I'm gonna add some yellow color, light image with soft round opacity. Now you see the color. Then I'm gonna smudge. Now these two layers of background. Okay, now I guess I wanna lighten up her face, so I'm gonna lighten up this original base image, black and white image. Now I'm gonna add brightness contrast, then create empty mask, then invert mask. Now reveal with brush, same soft round opacity. This is the face and skins, some hand, arms, you see here. Okay, now brightness and a little bit contrast. On and off. Now I want some more, a little bit more reddish. So I'm gonna add colors on this color layer. Red, same sort of opacity, a little bit more reddish color to warm up. Okay, I guess pretty much done. Now check it out. I just colorized this time. Now from here. This time I concentrate to colorize the image. Now this is my original shot. I just take off all the colors out, then get this image. This is desaturated 100%. Then get this image, original base black and white image. Now first I add color for her face. This one, it's kind of reddish now, but this is a color her face and skin tones. Then I add background with this. Then I add her shirt. This is her shirt color. Actually I changed this a little bit orange-ish color. First I add purple color, but I changed with the layer properties. Hue saturation changed to this much. I use the saturation layer properties, hue saturation on background also, but I didn't use it. Just desaturated some, but that's alright. Just leave it this way. Then last thing, I want her face to be a little bit brightened up. Well, I already did this here. This one has a mask only for her face. If I turn it off, you see this much lighten up. Okay, this is it for today. And also I made, I retouch some face, smooth it out, and also the color layer, smooth it out with the smudging. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie almost colorized image. First color was this original, no colors much, shadow blue or color, but changed to this one. I add colors to get some colors. Well, next time I won't try turn on this pencil drawing type image to change blend mode to maybe, I don't know, overlay, tone down, or maybe luminosity to make something illustration type image. I don't know. That's for next time. Just turn it off right now. Well, that's it for colorized movie, and thank you for watching my video again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.